What are we gonna do today? We're gonna have some fun. Some FUNventure. We're gonna have some fun. Some FUNventure. Woo! Today we're gonna talk about all the construction vehicles.
Right here.
There is one right here. Wow. Angel, what color is it?
It's green.
It's the color green, and in Spanish is verde. Wow, look at those big wheels. What color are the wheels? Angel, what color are the wheels?
It's black.
It's black. In Spanish is negro. Wow.
Look where I found. Guys, look. Guys, look where I found.
Oh, what did you find?
What's this? What's
A
this?
bottle cap. Wow, a big crane. That is so cool.
Look, guys, there is a water vehicle.
A construction vehicle where? How cool. What color is it?
It's yellow and black.
It's yellow and black
White.
and white. Good job, Angel.
Look, there is a water.
It's a construction
So
cone.
everyone to be safe.
So all the vehicles and everyone can be safe. How nice. That is cool.
Look, there's a butterfly.
There's a construction site. Let's see. Up. Wow. Look at that. Hey friends, it's a construction site.
Guys,
And that's where the yes.
guys, this one don't check it out.
Do you guys want to go and check out the construction site? Okay, let's go. We're gonna go and check out the
Let's go,
construction site.
guys. Let's go to see.
Okay, we're gonna go. So friends, we are at the construction site. And what does it say behind you? It says pedestrian sidewalk. And they have a green arrow and a sign for the pedestrians to walk that way. Look at this long path through. Okay, and Angel is wearing his protective gear.
Let's go inside now.
No, we can't go inside. You know why? Because these safety dividers keep everyone from going inside the construction site to keep everyone safe.
Well, I'm a construction.
You're a construction worker? We're just pretending.
I want to go inside.
Hey, Angel, doesn't these safety dividers look like Legos? Right? It looks like Legos. Since the sidewalk is closed, we're gonna walk through this way.
Come on, friends.
Sure, we're coming.
Angel is excited to see what's inside the fun bag. Come on, friends, let's go.
Hey guys, welcome to Angelsfunventure.
Angel, what do we have inside the Angel's Fun Bag?
We have
Wow, what is that?
just button without the button vehicle.
We have a construction vehicle. We have the dump truck. Oh, wow. Let's see all the cool stuff it has. It's fully functional. Headlights light up. It is for the ages 4 and up. And it has a wireless remote. It lights up. The controller ranges up to 15 feet. It has left and right steering. Pushing the button to dump the dump bed. And headlights light up while you drive. That is awesome, right, Angel?
Yeah.
Turn it around. Let's open it up. Are you ready, friends? Do you need your friends to help you open it up?
Yes.
Let's help Angel open up the dump truck. Come on, friends.
Then we're gonna go to the park with our cousins to test out the truck. Let's go, friends.
Hi, friends. We're here with Master and Citadel.
Yay! They are the Mercado Family Summary. Look them up on YouTube and subscribe and like. So hey guys, what are we gonna do today? We're gonna have some fun. Some fun. Some fun venture. We're gonna have some fun. Some fun. Some fun venture. Okay, let's race them.
So now we're gonna be racing the trucks.
I'm gonna race the book.
What?
I'm gonna race the book.
You're gonna race the truck?
Okay, let's
All
try
right,
them
come
out.
on.
Come on, guys.
This one, I can't control this one.
I guess we're gonna have to do.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win.
You're gonna win?
Yeah.
Oh, over here.
No.
Over here. Are you guys excited?
Yeah.
We're gonna see which construction vehicle wins. Would it be Angel from FUNventure? Woo! Or would it be Trinity from Mercado Family Summary? Woo! Ready? On your mark, get set, go!
I can't. It's not even moving.
It's not moving. Uh-oh.
Hi, friends. As you can see, one of the remote controls were not working. Sorry, I'm going to eat it.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, friends. Make sure to subscribe and hit that little bell to be sure you get notified on all of our videos.
And comment down below. Comment down below if you like our video.
Uh-oh. I hear something. Do you guys hear something?
Yes.
What is that?
Uh-oh, I better get out of here.
It's Zeno the Dinosaur!
Hey, boys and girls. Who are these people?
Well, me and her are from the Mercado Family Summary, and this is our cousin AJ, and this is his channel.
Oh, really? Oh, nice to meet you guys. I am Zeno the Dinosaur. Guess what? I think I want to chase them.
Ah!